In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize clutter in your Asana projects and stay better organized. Let's dive in by heading over to www.asana.com. If you're already a user, simply click on the Login button to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, no worries, just click Get Started or Try for free to set up your account, and you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. Understanding Asana's layout and tools is foundational to excellent project management. Now, once you're in your dashboard, you might find it filled with a multitude of projects. Don't worry, this is a great time to pause and reassess your needs. Start by reviewing all of your projects diligently. Your goal here is to identify which projects are still active and which ones have been completed or are no longer ongoing. This step is crucial as it helps maintain focus and ensures that you can put your energy where it truly matters, on your current tasks. When you've identified projects that have been completed, Asana offers a helpful feature known as archiving. Archiving your finished projects lets you keep records of them without allowing them to add unnecessary clutter to your workspace. And if you happen to find projects that are redundant and won't be needed in the future, consider deleting them altogether. Just make sure that any information from those projects is not vital before you decide to remove them. Next up are sections, which are an incredibly handy tool. Instead of creating separate projects for work that's related or overlaps, look into using sections within a single project. This strategy not only keeps your dashboard tidy, but also provides you with a clear and comprehensive overview of your responsibilities and tasks. Grouping similar tasks under one umbrella can make navigating your projects a whole lot simpler. Moreover, breaking larger projects down into manageable tasks and subtasks can transform your workflow. By turning each initiative into specific, well-defined tasks, you can assign clear deadlines and responsible parties for each one. This approach helps streamline your workflow, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Such clarity in task assignments boosts your efficiency and productivity. By committing to these actions, decluttering your workspace, organizing your projects intelligently, and structuring tasks systematically, you'll sharpen your focus, enhance your workflow, and maintain a better grip on your progress. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful and are ready to elevate your productivity game, be sure to like this video, drop a comment below to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on maximizing your efficiency with Asana and other project management tools.